Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss lines and angles revision for FA2. So, see this question, Nana. Find the values of x and y in the figure given below. This is the given figure, Nana. Find x and y degrees. Okay, now see its solution, Nana. From the figure, x degrees is equals to x degrees, that is what, Nana? Angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. You try to observe children. Angle ACD means that is what, Nana? X degrees. Ante triangle ABC ki ACD is the exterior angle. Okay, it is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. It is equal to what, Nana? Sum of opposite interior angles. So ikkada vachesi exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, now what property, Nana? This one, exterior angle property of a triangle. So angle ACD means that is x degrees is equals to angle A plus angle B means what, Nana? That is 30 degrees plus angle B means what, Nana? That is 35 degrees. So clearly x degrees is equals to 30 plus 35 means what? That is 65 degrees. Okay, so this is first case. Now you to observe the second figure. Again from the figure, this time you observe children, that is triangle ECD. Now clearly y degrees is what, Nana? This is exterior angle. Okay, so from the figure we can write y degrees is equals to, that is x degrees plus 45 degrees. This is also exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, exterior angle property of a triangle. Here y degrees is the exterior angle. It is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is x degrees plus 45 degrees. Now y degrees is equals to x degrees means just now we get x degrees means what, Nana? That is 65 degrees plus 45 degrees. Now y degrees is equals to 65 plus 45 means what, Nana? That is 110 degrees. So like this we find the values from the figures. Possible. Okay, students. So this is the second question. This is the second question. You try to observe here in triangle QRT. In triangle QRT, angle Q is equals to 40 degrees, angle R is equals to x degrees, angle T it measures what, 90 degrees. See from the figure, in triangle QRT, angle Q plus angle R plus angle T is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, now you try to observe QRT అన్నప్పుడు three angles మాత్రమే మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. So the sum of these three angles in a triangle QRT is equals to 180 degrees. This is what, Nana? Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now angle Q means what, Nana? That is 40 degrees plus angle R means what? That is x degrees. Angle T, it measures what? 90 degrees. That is equals to 180 degrees. Now 40 plus 90 means that is 130 degrees. Plus x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now transposing 130 to RHS side, x degrees is equals to 180 minus 130 degrees. Now x degrees is equals to 180 minus 130 means what? That is 50 degrees. Okay, so we are getting x is equals to what? X degrees is equals to what? 50 degrees. Okay, next you try to observe triangle PSR. Triangle PSR. Simply I am drawing for your understanding purpose like this. This is P, this is S, this is R. Here x degrees, here 30 degrees, and here y degrees. Okay. Now observe everyone. Here y degrees ante angle PSQ. Angle PSQ. It is the exterior angle. Angle PSQ is what? Exterior angle. So I want y degrees. So that's why. Okay. So this time I am going to consider in triangle PSR. Triangle PSR. Okay. Triangle PSR. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఈ సైడ్ ఎస్ఆర్ ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తే క్యూ వరకు వచ్చేసింది. సైడ్ ఎస్ఆర్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ టు పాయింట్ క్యూ. They form a exterior angle that is y degrees. So now y degrees that is equals to what? X degrees plus 30 degrees. And we can write it as angle PSR is equals to angle P plus angle R. So this is exterior angle property of a triangle. So this exterior angle aithe these two angles are sum of opposite interior angles. So that is y degrees is equals to angle P means 30 degrees plus angle R means x degrees. That is equals to 30 degrees plus x degrees means just now we get that is 50 degrees. Okay, so 30 plus 50 means what? 80 degrees. So like this we find y degrees is equals to 80 degrees. So in first case simply I consider triangle QRT. I use the angle sum property of a triangle. I get x degrees is equal to 50. In second case what I did here, I consider triangle PSR, but I extended the side SR or RS to point Q. They form a exterior angle that is y degrees. It is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. ఈ కండిషన్ అప్లై చేస్తే I am getting y degrees is equals to 80. Okay na students? Now okay students, now see third question. By observing the figure, okay, in triangle ABC we know BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Okay na? BO is the bisector of angle ABC and CO is the bisector of angle ACB. Okay na? If you rendu ikkada intersect ayyayi, the point is what? That is O. So we want to find x degrees, y degrees and z degrees. So clearly you write that one from the figure. BO and CO are the bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB. Okay, angle B ki angle C ki we rendu bisectors. I am taking here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we know angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C is equals to 180 degrees. From the figure, angle B. From the figure, angle B is equals to, that is what, an x degrees plus x degrees, that is equals to 2x degrees. Angle C, that is y degrees plus y degrees is equals to 2y degrees. ఈ ఫిగర్లో చూస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ x degrees plus x degrees, y degrees plus y degrees. So angle A means I am writing 2x degrees. Angle B means angle A means that is 40 degrees plus angle B means that is 2x degrees. Angle C means that is 2y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now transposing 42 RHS side, that is 2x plus 2y degrees is equals to 180 minus 40 degrees. So simply I take out the common 2. ikkada 2 undi, ikkada 2 undi. 2 ni common teeste, that is x degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 minus 40 ante that is 140. Now x degrees plus y degrees is equals to 140 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 270s are. So x degrees plus y degrees is equals to, that is what, 70 degrees. Okay. Now see everyone, in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, okay na, BOC annappudu you try to see this one only, BOC, you just consider the interior angles, that is x degrees, y degrees, z degrees. BOC, we know angle B plus, angle O plus, angle C is equals to 180 degrees. This is what, angle sum property of a triangle. Now angle B means that is what, x degrees plus angle O means that is z degrees plus angle C means that is y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. We know in a triangle the sum of the interior angles of a angles is equals to 180 degrees. Ikkada x degrees, y degrees, x degrees plus y degrees, ఈ రెండింటి ప్లస్ లో we can write it as a 70 degrees plus z degrees is equals to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు నేను 70 రాసా, x degrees ని plus y degrees ని రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే x degrees plus y degrees is equals to we get 70. So that's why I written 70. So z degrees is equals to 70 ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే that is 180 minus 70 degrees, that is equals to 110 degrees. Okay na students, what we are getting here, z is equals to 110 degrees. Okay na? Okay. Awesome. Since they were little boys.
40 minutes